Hi, everybody in YouTube land. Hope you're doing well. I want to touch upon a subject of imagination and facts. All too often, people like to substitute the word imagination in place of facts when they don't understand something. Now, I'm not knocking anybody that's saying imagination, you have a vivid imagination, but what I am going to do is clarify what an imagination is and what imagination is not. It is not my imagination that you have 6 protons, 6 electrons, and 6 neutrons as carbon. These are facts. All life, atomate and inatomate, are carbon based on this earth. You have a DNA helix, and literally it's spelt with the name hell in it. As a baby, when you were born upon the doctor, you were held immediately. You say, "Hello, how's your health? Can I help you?" I have said hell 3 times. And these are in your language, your common language that most people speak in Canada, United States. Well, they used to. The English language. And it is no coincidence that the earth, underneath a heliocentric religion, believes that it is the planet is tilted 24.4 degrees on its axis. X says axis. 24.4 degrees minus 90 degrees is 66.6 degrees. What degree of stupidity are you? Are you bent over and taking it in the ass at 90 degrees? Are you standing up at 180 degrees looking around your surroundings? What all the things that I have stated are not opinions. I need to clarify that. These are not opinions. They are facts. When you say the word opinion, you can use words like imagination, beliefs, ideas. You need to understand these are not opinions. Anyone can look this information up. And if you need me to demonstrate it with verifiable facts, where I can take it off of Wikipedia or Google or anything you want for your search sites and find the same exact information that I found, no matter how much you bang your head into the wall, pick your nose and look at your boogers, it doesn't change the fact that they're facts. And once you use the word fact and you have a concession of that word, in other words, you concede, you're right, I'm wrong, that those are facts. Another fact is 4,100 years ago, Amun Ra, the sun in the sky, was worshipped on December 25th. There is no coincidence that your pagan religion, in your belief of Jesus, the Son of God, a man, is actually the sun in the sky 4,100 years ago. Kemet, Egypt, December 25th, the winter solstice. This is not an opinion. This is not an imagination. They are facts. If you cannot understand the difference between a fact and an opinion, That is your problem. That's your problem, not mine. The burden of proof is upon you as an individual to prove that my facts or the facts that I can demonstrate and have demonstrated are opinions, which indeed they are not. So whenever you sling the word opinion or imagination around and somebody literally demonstrates facts to you, you simply are not playing with a full deck. It is a fact 4,100 years ago, the sun in the sky, December 25th, which is demonstratable right now, is the highest point in the sky. The winter solstice, souls T ice, solstice, just like the summer solstice. These are not opinions. They are put down as facts. The tilt of the earth that is under a pagan religion could be contested, but the fact is it is written down as 24.4 degrees as the tilt of the ball earth, which I do not believe in. So it was made up, but as a fact, they push it out that it has 66.6 degrees left over out of a 90-degree angle. Is that a coincidence? 666? Is it a coincidence that you have 6 protons, 6 electrons, and 6 neutrons in a carbon atom, which all is based on carbon? 666. You see, your inability to accept the truth as an individual precludes you from understanding the difference between facts and imagination. If I was to imagine things up and make numbers up without any verification, and you were to believe me, as opposed to me verifying it, and you would turn around and tell me it's my opinion or my imagination, you literally are in the age of idiocracy. You might as well hook up Gatorade to your water supply and start feeding your fucking grass, because that is the level of stupidity I'm sorry to say that you're functioning at as an individual. If you cannot accept what a fact is stated as and would like to put words in someone's mouth or create the idea that this is an imagination, when we are all standing together blood fucking thick and multiple chances have been given to individuals that are blood thick and they want to do the contrary of what the truth is. For example, I'm not going to say her name, but she's a BOI member, and I literally had to block her because she's trying to tell everybody the earth is a ball, when the very nature of our existence where we are is all about flat, because all compasses point inwards. Can you demonstrate a compass on a table pointing inwards by putting a magnet on the table and making the compass go around that magnet, having the needle point inwards? Of course you can. That's real science. That's a demonstration. However, No matter how strong the magnet is you use. If you were to use a beach ball and stick the magnet at one end of the ball and then the compass at the other, nothing is going to make that compass point inward. Nothing. You should think about that, because from big to small, small to big, nothing changes except the scaling up or the scaling down. All variables are identical. If this bothers you, it's only because you have imagination and I have real science. Empirical, verifiable, testable, repeatable, and most importantly, demonstratable. And when I say demonstratable, you can't say demonstration without saying demon first. Because it's the demons that are the good guys, and you don't have to fucking like it. Empirical science will chop your fucking lying fucking head off. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care now.